Hey my goddesses, it's your girl Empress Natalie here today. We are going to be doing an easy how to put on lashes tutorial. It is beginner friendly, trust me, I get it. The struggle be real when you're trying to put on lashes for the first time and trying to learn. So yes, I got y'all. So if you want to see how I put my lashes on, please stay tuned.
It's super smooth, super curvy and super cool. Not a geese, but she on the goose. Or the brown when she getting loose. Get both, she ain't gotta choose. Too loud when she with the crew. Bust a plate, now she on the move.
Alright my goddesses, so to start it's going to be quick, easy, and simple. All you need is some mascara, lashes, and your fingers. That is it. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to be using is by Kiss. I will have it down in the description below. To start off now, the mascara, I'm going to be using MAC's Falls Lashes in Extreme Black. You can honestly use whatever mascara that you like. It's all your preference. You don't have to have an inexpensive type of mascara, because all we're needing to do is have your lashes defined so that we're grabbing onto something to like squeeze the false lash and your actual lashes together. That is why we're putting on mascara. Okay. Also, if you like to see how I do my liner and a full face, I do have videos of those on my page, so please check those out as well. So now that we have our mascara on, to make it easier when I apply the glue, I like to, the glue I use is also by Kiss. It's the black glue. I like the dark one better. So what I like to do is take the glue, squeeze it a little bit, and put it on there. But you don't want to put a lot. You want to put a little bit. And you want to blow. All right, so I double stack my lashes with the Kiss because I use the this one says Sultry, but I'll have the name down there. But I like to double stack them because I do like to have thicker lashes. So when you have the glue on there and you blowed it, let it dry up a little bit so it doesn't get too, Okay, so when you apply it, put it in the middle of your eye and then press. This is so hard on camera, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna press it on the middle, and then we're gonna press it towards the front. You wanna press it down. Okay? And here is, I got a little glue, but it will come off. Here's a trick. Press the lash with your real lash. So press the fake lashes with your real lashes. You want to press it in. Press them together like you're clamping. And if you have nails, you can still do it with nails. Just kind of angle your finger a little bit. If you have like fake nails, long nails on, you can still do it with fake nails. So you just want to press it. Press them together. And then you just keep pressing it till it's dry. But the trick is to kind of wait till the glue is dried on the lash before you even put it on your eye. Because if you just go ahead and put the glue and then you so if you put the glue on the lash, right, and then you just stick it on your eye, it's gonna be a mess. It's gonna get everywhere. So you always want to wait till it dries up on the lash first and then place it on your eye. See how quick and easy this was because I let it dry a little bit. So now I got some glue right here, but it's cool. All you gotta do is pick it. That's it, because it dries up on its own. You see? Like it was never there. All right, so we're gonna do this again. So we're gonna do this again for the other eye so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, so like I said, you want to take the glue, lash, put a thin coat. You don't need that much glue on the coat of the lash because it's just gonna be messy. A little bit goes a long way. All right, so you see I got like a thin coat. It's not even that much. All right, so now I'm just gonna blow. And to be honest, it only takes about 30 seconds. You don't need to be blowing for like a minute straight. Like, girl, you're gonna dry the whole thing out. But like, just blow a good little 30, 40 seconds. And to be honest, I do like black adhesives better than the white ones. The black ones tend to be stronger and they dry faster and they stay on longer. The white ones, I'm talking about the Kiss brands and like the ones you can find at Walmart or the beauty supply store or the drugstore. The white ones, I don't really like them that much because it be too liquidy. The black ones are thicker. They're thicker and they last longer and it doesn't take that much to like put your lashes on. Okay, so this should be dry enough. So I'm gonna show you again on this eye. So you're gonna hold it in the middle. Okay, you're gonna place it in the middle of your eye. You're gonna make sure you have an angle first. We look and you can see how it's gonna look on your eyelash before you even put it down. Okay, so I've placed it. And sometimes you might have to drag it as well, and that is okay. Okay. So you kind of place it. All right, now, what are we doing? We pinching. And sometimes, yeah. Hold up. Y'all, putting lash on camera is so freaking hard. But we're gonna do the do. All right. And you wanna make sure the line of the lash is actually on your eyeliner, your eyeline. Like, boom. Okay, so yeah, you wanna like press it together. Press those two lashes together. Yours and the fake one, they make one. Ooh, yours and the fake one, they make one. I'm about to be a rapper out here.
What?
Okay, and you always want to kind of like push it up so you can press. That's why you should always have on mascara before you put the lashes on, because first off, you don't want to rip your real lashes off and then it just be a whole mess. You got glue up in your eyes, and I learned the hard way. Trust me, I learned the hard way. But I'm here to help y'all. I'm here to help y'all. I'm here to help y'all. It's Natalie to save the day. All right, so yeah, there we go. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. Beautiful cover girl. All right, and if y'all would like to know how I did my liner and this full natural glam look, I do have those videos, so check on my page to see it. All right, there we go. All right, my goddesses, so that was nice, easy, and simple. I hope y'all learned a few tricks or two how to put lashes on, because I know it can be stressful and frustrating when you are just starting to learn on how to put lashes, especially if you want to like have the big lashes on and you trying to look like somebody, but you got no clue how to look like somebody. I got y'all. I got y'all. So I hope y'all did like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Mwah, mwah.